dito sa video na to, nakipag grand opening launch tayo dito sa may Grumpy Joe Pampanga.
So previously, yung soft opening na-vlog na natin. And ngayon naman is yung grand opening nila.
So yun, congratulations Grumpy Joe Pampanga for grand opening today. And since natikman natin yung mga ibang food doon sa previous vlog natin, umorder naman tayo ng mga kakaiba ngayon para sa atin.
On our table, syempre meron tayo kanilang yung mozzarella stick. Yung kanilang 4 pieces homemade chicken finger.
Homemade chicken finger. So may fries na kasama yan.
And for our pizza naman, yung kanilang 5 cheese aloha and yung kanilang all meat. And for pasta, yung kanilang baked ziti.
Ziti, correct.
And syempre for the salad naman, yung kanilang garden salad.
So this is non-meat,
all
vegetables and fruit. Now for our drinks, umorder naman tayo ng kanilang mga smoothies. Alright, so tingnan na natin to.
Sa Pampanga, mahilig talagang kumain yung mga Kapampangan, di ba? Yung mga kabalens natin. So, alam natin lahat, adventurous yung mga kabalens. So, yun yung pinaka-key. Bakit pinwesto natin siya dito, yung franchise ng Grumpy Joe. It's for the Kapampangans and the neighboring provinces.
Bali, abalumia mo po kayong Facebook kasi may trending niya po. So, tinry niya po ng friend ko.
Okay, anong in-order mo?
Ayun po, Caesar salad with chicken fingers, tapos itang pong seafood pesto. Tsaka itang 5 cheese pizza. Tinry niyo po itang bestseller na.
Alright.
Yes, it's our personal favorite ever since na-try namin to. One is, for many reasons, is big servings. Delicious food, tapos yung ingredients, as you can see, mafe-feature natin yung mga food natin, lahat top-notch, ingredients, preparation, and everything. And yan yung dinadala ng Grumpy Joe talaga, is the quality of food. Guys, you must try our spicy seafood pesto, lasagna, 5 cheese pizza, Grumpy Joe favorite pizza, and our many beverages offered at the bar. From the main course, appetizers, desserts, everything. Must try. We're inviting everyone. Dito kami sa Grumpy Joe, along MacArthur Highway, Barangay San Agustin, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Right in front of Walter Mart, sa harapan.